Have you ever walked into a room and felt like everyone was judging you? Or maybe you've met someone and instantly thought, wow, I need this person in my life. It turns out you only have 7 seconds to make that all-important first impression. Yep, in those precious seconds, people assess your personality, confidence, and trustworthiness. So, what if I told you that mastering first impressions could open doors you didn't even know existed? Let's dive into the science of what makes you memorable and how you can become the unforgettable one in the room. Step 1. Appearance matters. Dress for success. All right, let's dive into the world of style. First off,
Dress for the job you want, not the job you have.
it's not just a cliche, it's time for a wardrobe upgrade. We're talking about clothes that not only fit but also flatter. Think about snagging a few high-quality tees that show off those gym gains and a couple of jeans that don't cling like a second skin. But hold on, casual wear is just the tip of the iceberg. You'll want to build a staple wardrobe. It's all about investing in timeless pieces: plain t-shirts, button-downs, polos, crew neck sweaters, chinos, dress pants, durable denim, and a couple of stylish jackets. Once you have the basics down, it's time to take care of your gear. Follow the washing instructions on the labels and keep your threads looking fresh. Now, let's not forget accessories. A slick watch, a stylish belt, some chains, or a couple of rings can add that personal flair. And speaking of personal flair, how's your haircut looking? If you've been rocking the same style since high school, it might be time for a change. Your hairstyle can level up your attractiveness meter, and knowing your face shape is key here. Oblong faces. If your face is elongated, consider a classic side-swept crew cut. It'll give you a polished look. Diamond faces. With sharp cheekbones and a narrow forehead, you'll want to add some width. A textured crop with a fringe can balance things out nicely. Square faces. Strong jawline? Go for a wavy or messy style to soften those edges. Heart-shaped faces. If your forehead is wide and your chin is narrow, messy fringes and bangs will do wonders to soften your look. Triangle faces. Small forehead but wide jaw, a nice quiff or comb-over will add volume up top, making all the difference. Step 2. The power of body language. Say it without words. All right, let's dive into the unsung hero of communication, body language. Picture this. Jimmy walks into a room full of strangers. He kind of slinks off to the side. No one notices him. No one turns to look. It's almost as if he's completely invisible. Now, picture Chad entering a similar room. Immediately, you can feel the energy shift. People are turning their heads, wanting to know him, wanting to befriend him. What's the difference between these two? You guessed it, body language. The impact that proper posture and confident body language can have on your life is immeasurable. It's crazy. If you want to dive deeper into this game-changing skill, check out books like The Definitive Book of Body Language by Alan and Barbara Pease, or What Everybody is Saying by Joe Navarro. These reads will open your eyes to the nuances of nonverbal communication and how it shapes our interactions. And hey, if you're looking for inspiration in this niche, check out creators like Vinh. His content is packed with insights that can help you elevate your body language game to new heights. But here's the deal. If you want a full guide on body language, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help you out. And if you're finding this helpful so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. It means a lot and helps us grow together. Let's master the art of nonverbal communication together and make sure you're the Chad in every room you walk into. Step 3. Be engaging. The art of conversation. Now, let's spice things up with engaging conversations. Ask open-ended questions and listen actively. Remember, people love talking about themselves, so throw in a genuine compliment or two. For instance,
I like your shoes. Where'd you get them?
it shows you're interested and can make you stand out like a unicorn in a sea of horses. Engaging conversations can take you far, but I've shared more tips and tricks on this topic in my last video. If you want to dive deeper into mastering the art of conversation, check it out from the top corner. But wait, what if I told you there's a way to double your chances of making a great impression? Fasten your seatbelts, because we are going for the last step, the magic of authenticity. Just be you. Now, let's talk about the magic of authenticity. In a world of filters and facades, people crave realness. When you walk into a room and let your true self shine, you create a memorable impression. Authenticity is all about being comfortable with who you are, even when the pressure is on. Imagine this. You're in a high-stakes situation. Maybe it's a job interview or a networking event. Nerves might start to creep in, but here's the secret. Knowing your story can help you stand out. What's that one thing about you that remains solid, no matter what? That's your anchor. When you're being genuine, your words and body language naturally align. If you're excited about a topic, your enthusiasm shows. But if you're trying to put on a facade, that disconnection is noticeable. People can sense when someone isn't being real, and it can make you blend into the background. So, share your quirks, your passions, and your stories. You're not just another face in the crowd. You're a unique individual with something special to offer. When you embrace your authenticity, it draws people in. They feel it, and they'll remember you for it. That's how you create those unforgettable connections. And there you have it. The science of first impressions boils down to appearance, body language, engaging conversations, and authenticity. Remember, in those first 7 seconds, you have the power to leave a lasting impact. I'm genuinely proud of you for taking yet another step on your journey toward becoming your best self.
Thank you for watching.